What is it like to be unstoppable? It's like you be doing the impossible, persevering and overcoming the obstacles, being real and authentic and having vision, pursuing all your dreams even when nobody listening. When you lead, you always gonna have tension near, but you accepted the journey, then give in to fear. That's why you living unstoppable. Cause life is a blessing and it's an honor for.
So the goals of the Black and Brown Summit is to provide a space for our students of color to connect with their own stories, to understand each other, to create space for us to build solidarity, and for them to get in touch with their stories, celebrate their successes, their challenges, and to elevate their voices so that we can create a more inclusive community here at Mission College.
It's empowering, honestly, to be around community and around a diverse student body, and for all of us to be behind our futures.
I really loved the summit. I didn't know what to expect going into the summit since this was my first time attending and running some of the workshops. But I really loved the keynote speaker, especially because he resonated with me. I think a lot of things he said, I personally do believe in.
So how many of y'all done been through different challenges and tribulations in your life that you know could have possibly derailed you? Seeing a lot of hands. And this is one thing I could tell y'all, that every single one of us has likely been through something different. We have some things in common that we can relate to, but we all got a unique journey. But what's great about that is the specific things you've been through are a part of your testimony. So you can take all those things that you've been through, and then you can utilize those things as a part of your testimony. So I want you to recognize that all of your pain is a part of your purpose. And your purpose leads into your testimony, which can help you inspire people and make a connection.
The students are now broken up into workshops dealing with different topics, from financial aid, mental health, civic engagement, civil rights, how to combat racism, different tools for our students to learn and utilize to help them build community.
Not many students are aware of how mental health can be very important for students. And for my workshop, we want to prioritize mental health, especially at Mission College. And we are able to team up with the health services, in which we are able to talk about counseling and how Mission College is able to provide 8 free sessions for Mission students in order for them to have a successful time at Mission College.
I thought that the summit was very well organized. It was a team effort by the equity team, as well as Umoja, Puente, Mesa, and there was a complete diversity of the student body represented at the event.
My experience about the summit was amazing, and I recommend to other students to be part of it.
This is my second year being a part of the Black and Brown Summit. Last year I was a volunteer. This year I'm an equity ambassador, so I had 2 different experiences within that, so it was a good time. I really do appreciate the fact that we had more of a say of what happens with this summit. It was student-led, and I do it all over again.
And there you have it, folks. We successfully completed our 4th annual Black and Brown Summit here at Mission College. We'd like to give a special thank you to our entire Mission College community, as well as, of course, our amazing students. Special thank you to our amazing keynote speaker, Conscious, as well. We really had a great, successful 4th annual Black and Brown Summit. Already looking forward to next year. So many great things that took place throughout this summit this year, and I'm really just grateful to have been able to witness it. I'm also grateful on behalf of our students to really get that sense of empowerment, encouraging us to use our voices, and that's really what it's all about, folks. So again, thank you for everyone who came out, and if you missed it this year, please be at our annual 5th Black and Brown Summit. Thank you all.